So you may have just actually started updating your particular Android phone, and you might be trying to figure out if you can go through and basically restart your particular device. Maybe you messed something up, maybe you didn't want to update your device, and maybe it's on the update panel, and you're trying to figure out if you can even stop it from updating. Now, the short answer of this is no. If your phone is currently updating and restarting and factory resetting and all that stuff, it is not worth it to go through and basically restart your device. Don't start holding down the power button. Don't start trying to restart your device in some form or fashion. It's not really going to work out that way. And the reason for that is because when your device is restarting, it's just going through and it's just deleting everything from it if it's restarting, factory resetting it. If you're updating your phone, it's just going to update the internals. Like, it's just going to update the software and stuff. It's not really going to change much. It might change some hardware. It might change some features, but it's not going to change anything crazy. So I think that is kind of an interesting thing to kind of think about, because if you're deleting everything off your phone, you didn't want to do it anymore, hopefully you made a backup, but during the factory reset portion, you do not want to go and start trying to restart your phone, because that could actually end up causing some problems. Same exact thing with software updating. When you're updating your Android phone, if it's on the splash screen to update, the last thing you want to do is to start holding down random buttons, because that can also kind of cause some issues for your phone as well. So the short answer of this is no. If your phone is restarting, if it's resetting, if it's factory resetting or updating, don't start trying to go and don't try to restart your phone, because it's not really going to work in that way. So in terms of that kind of covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.